AI is no longer the future. It's your new productivity assistant. In 2025, if you're still taking notes the old-fashioned way, you're falling behind. Let's dive into the 5 most powerful AI tools that will supercharge your productivity and note-taking this year. First up is Otter.ai. It's your meeting sidekick, recording, transcribing, and summarizing real-time conversations with incredible accuracy. Perfect for students, teams, or solo professionals. Next, we have Fireflies.ai, a powerful AI note-taker built for teams. It auto-records Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams calls, then summarizes them with action items and searchable highlights. Notion AI is a game changer. It doesn't just take notes, it helps you organize, summarize, and even generate content within your Notion workspace. It's like having an intelligent co-pilot for your brain. Supernormal is built for speed. After a meeting, it instantly emails you a clean, structured summary. It's perfect if you need instant clarity without digging through transcripts. Mem.ai is the note-taking app that thinks ahead. It links your ideas, suggests related content, and evolves as you write. Like your second brain. These tools aren't just cool. They're essential for staying ahead in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered productivity tips.